Hello guys, now today we are going with the question with the lecture number 3. Today we study what is database, what is table, and we are creating first database and first table. Now basically what is database? Database is an organized collection of data that can easily accessed, manage and update. Means basically we have a database of the college database. What we have in it, we have student tables, we have course tables and different things. So basically in database we have the different tables. We store the tables in the database. Here also given an example, there is a database and we have a table by A and a table B. Now here we have an example of college database. It have multiple tables like student tables, course table, enrollment table. In the student table we have a different columns, IDs, rows. In columns we have student ID, name, city, age. Here we also given a, and here also a course table also. We have course ID, course name and a credit. Its all information is stored in a one database. It's all about the database. Now we are going forward with table. What is table? Now what is table? Table is like a spreadsheet where the data is stored in a row and column. Basically, table in which we have a different rows and different columns. And the column also known as schema in database, where we have all the details. In column we can see the name, gender, IDs, age, and the rows is different rows. Here you can see also an example student table. We have the column name, student ID, name, gender, age, marks, and in which we have a four rows. Row 1 we have 1, the name is Vidit, gender is male, and age is 21, and the marks is 550. They are different things. Now we are going with creating our first database. Now we are creating our first database. First go to MySQL Workbench. It's opening. We have already made 3 connections. Now I am making another new connection. You can write any connection name. I am writing local MySQL. In the port, I have to click on password. You have to write your password here. Click OK. Now test the connection. Successfully made it. Click OK. Then OK. You can see here the connection is ready. Now click on it. Here you see there is a database. It is a system database, SYS. Now we are creating our new database. For creating database, we have to write a query. Query is create. It is a simple query like English query. Create data base. You have to give any database name. I'm giving a college. Now clean it executed. You can see here create database college. It is created. Now here in Sigma you refresh now. We can see here the college name database is created. Now if you want to drop it, you can use command drop database and the name of the database. You have to select it. It execute only one query, and if you click it, it execute your whole queries. You can see here output drop database. Now you can also see here refresh the Sigma. There is no database. Now I'm creating a database. Database college. No, I'm creating first table. So we use no, I'm creating our first table. First you have to use create command, create table. Then you have to write your table name like student. Then in it you have to give your column name like ID and their data type is integer and constraint is primary. In next video I will tell what is primary, foreign key, all these things. Now another column name is name and their type is also var char 50. Now another column, its name is age and the integer is int, data type is integer and it is a constraint of non value, non null. Now close it. Start bracket. Now you can execute it. Selecting this and then click on this. Running it, there is an error. You can check for a no database selected. Select the default DOA. Means first we have to create database. You have to select it and run it. Now database is executed. You can check here. Refresh it. College. Now you have to execute your table. First you have to execute this also. See here, create database, create table. Now my table is created. You can check here. I'll refresh it. Now you can have college. College is my database. In it we have a table. In table I have a student detail. In student details I have a column ID, name and age, and we have the int primary key and self. And tomorrow I will tell all these things, primary key, where and the not null. It is first table we are creating it. Okay guys, thank you. If you have to write another query, click on here. You can write another one. Okay guys, thank you guys.